In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use mobile data on the Nintendo Switch. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Connecting your Nintendo Switch to a mobile data hotspot is as easy as connecting it to any other Wi-Fi connection that you might have around your area. So all that you have to do is first make sure that the mobile data or personal hotspot is set up properly on your device. On iOS devices or Android devices, the process is mostly the same. You simply have to go into the internet or network settings on your device and find personal hotspot, where you can turn it on and optionally set a password. This is the only requirement. You don't have to mess with any other advanced or additional settings, and as long as the personal hotspot is enabled and you can easily identify it by its name, you will be able to finish the process on your Switch. So go over to your Nintendo Switch and from the home screen select System Settings, and then at the menu at the left side of the screen find the Internet category. Inside of the Internet settings, you will be able to browse through all of the networks available, and one of them should be the personal hotspot that you've just made. Like I said, it is extremely simple. You don't have to do any sort of additional setup. It should automatically pop up in there as long as you make sure that the mobile device hosting the personal hotspot is close to your Nintendo Switch, and you will be able to select it from the list and connect it. If you enter the password, make sure that you include it on the Switch as well, and immediately the Switch is going to be connected to the online functionalities. You can repeat this process anytime you need a easy to access network, and when you are done, remember to turn the personal hotspot off. It is extremely simple and you shouldn't have to do any advanced settings as long as both the Switch and the mobile device that you are using have default settings enabled and you didn't change anything advanced. I hope I was able to help you on how to use mobile data on the Nintendo Switch. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.